Hey everybody, welcome to Cooking with John. Today we're making some pesto pasta. We're gonna need some noodles, farfalle, extra virgin olive oil, some ground beef, red onions, whatever that is. A chili? I'm not sure. That's bad. We're not making fucking pesto pasta. We're making pasta. Alright, here we go. Water, get it to boil, like so. Throw our noodles in there for 8 minutes. Ground beef, handful of onions, most of our onions, all of our onions. And we're gonna mix it together. Let's add some salt and pepper to that bitch too. Hold on a second. A little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. Mix this shit together. If you want some fucking basil pasta, can you give me some fucking basil? Get it! Get it!
Get your own basil!
Get me to cook your own fucking food then! I got my pan, it's all hot. Let's add some shit. So here we go. Cook the meats. Cook the fucking meats! God damn it, I beat the shit out of it too hard, taking out my anger on my woman on the food. So this is gonna taste like hate. Noodles are done. Let's strain them. Let's take our meat, throw it into the pasta, which we have in a separate bowl. Let's not take the oil out of the pan. Take your chili and then you pit and seed it. You take all the shit out of its innards and then you just saute our red peppers and we're gonna be good to go. Good to go. Alright, now you add your fucking red chilies to your load of shit, and then you toss it up. And it's gonna taste good. Of course it's gonna taste good. It's fucking easy. Pasta. Pasta's easy. I only wish my pesto didn't go bad, but that's okay. Alright, time to eat. Real easy, real simple. Let's just give it a taste. It's not pasta. It's not pasta at all. Looks like a bunch of meat. Meat's good. Well, not bad at all. Alright, good night everybody. See you next Thursday.